Good morning. Once again, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine.
Dania, turn on your
Yeah.
camera, please. Vishu, turn on your camera, please. Good. So, children, we were doing in the last class, we have already started the chapter, The Junk Sailor. And we have learned in this, the junk sailor work is not so easy, right? It is not so easy. For doing the simple junk sailor job also, we need some calculation of mathematics. We need to learn some mathematic calculation. We should turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to learn some multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then only it is possible to run the junk sailor job. And as you know that we were doing, I'm going to present the screen and then I will read the, take out page number 63, everyone. No, not 63. Wait. Page 61.
Ma'am, which page number?
61. This was the page number 61. We have already discussed about the loan. And in this, this Kiran, she was taking how much amount of loan for running her business? कितना लोन लिया था उसने? Please tell me the answer, students.
Ma'am, 8,000.
Yes, 8,000 loan she has taken. Now, for your information, and the blanks are given here, find out what is a loan. So, loan we have already learned. Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan? So, if you have heard this word, write yes. For what? And for what they are taking the loan? You can give your answers. Some take education loan, car loan, house loan, shop loan, bike loan. There are different types of loans are available. So for what thing you are taking a loan, you can write that also in your blank. How much loan was taken? So if you know that person or your parent or your mother or your grandfather has taken a loan, and how much loan they have taken, write the amount: 60,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. You write your own answer. This answer also differ from person to child. It's not same. How much money was paid back? So if you have taken, for example, you have taken a loan of 60,000 and paying back 60,000, 66,000. So how much money now you are paying? You are paying 66,000. So how much interest is included in this 66,000?
Ma'am, 6,000.
Very
6,000.
good. Very good. Right? This you can fill it according to your whatever is in your knowledge. I will go to the next one about the Hariya and Babu. Yes, these are the two clouds given in your textbook. There were two men. Hariya and Babu want to buy a hand cart. Hand cart means हाथ से चलाने वाली जो गाड़ी होती है, हाथ गाड़ी. That is called hand cart. Hand cart में वो ट्रॉल करके अपना सामान ले जाते हैं. उनको वो बाय करनी थी. So they were not having 300 rupees. It was of 300 rupees. Both of them had taken a loan from the different person. Hariya has taken a loan from the bank. Hariya has taken 300 rupees loan from the bank, but now he is paying 51 rupees every month for 6 months. So after 6 months, what will be the total amount he is paying to the bank? 51 is 1 month and he is paying for 6 months. 51 multiplied by 6.
306.
Very good. 306. You can see my board also. Isn't my board visible to you all when I'm writing on the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. 51 multiplied by 6
yes. And Babu has taken a loan from the money lender. That the name of the money lender is Chunnilal. And after 6 months, he is paying 360. Now, what is the interest of Hariya included in this?
Ma'am, 6 rupees.
Rupees 6 only. And what is the interest which Chunnilal is paying?
Ma'am,
Babu is
60
paying to
rupees.
Chunnilal?
Ma'am,
Rupees
60.
Now, my asked question is who is paying more, Hariya or Babu? Who is paying more
Babu. Ma'am,
interest?
Babu. Babu.
Babu is paying more interest, right? Why Babu is paying more interest?
Ma'am, because he has means taken from a
Money lender, outside
yes.
money lender. He has not taken from bank. compared to bank, money lenders are charging more higher rate of interest in our practical life also, because they have less formalities, they have less higher risk of that thing. That's why they have to charge the higher amount of interest. Bank is doing all the formalities properly, so bank is at the less risk. So बैंक को तो आपको किसी भी हालत में पैसे देने ही होते हैं, so they are at the less risk पे होते हैं, that's why they charge the less interest. Got it everyone? And how much more Babu is paying compared to Harya? कितना
Ma'am,
ज्यादा पे
54 rupees. 54
54.
rupees
54.
54 more.
So these all the concepts are clear to you all. Can I move to the next one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is we have done, multiply by this. Now come to the next. People laughed and teased. Tease मतलब चिढ़ाना, उसके ऊपर हंसते थे कि ये कौन सा काम है, इतना गंदा काम आप करती हो, इतना dirty business है. So children, I tell you that I will inform you that no work is dirty. कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. अगर आप उसमें हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो, अपनी पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हो, तो कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. Okay, but I did not think so. Kiran is saying I don't think कि ये काम कोई dirty काम है. I knew this idea would work. इसने बोला मुझे पता है मेरा जो काम है, the work which I am going to do will work definitely. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So she said no, मैं इसमें पूरी मेहनत लगा रही हूँ, मुझे पता है ये काम जरूर चलेगा. I will continue my work. Now we have, अब उसने जब काम चला लिया, सब कुछ हो गया, everything was settled. So she said now we have a पक्का house. उस काम में से उनके पास एक पक्का हाउस हो गया, उनके घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ गई, उनके घर में फ्रिज आ गई, टीवी, गैस स्टोव, everything now available at their place, because they have trust on their work and they are doing the hard work. ट्रस्ट होना भी बहुत जरूरी है, विश्वास होना बहुत जरूरी है किसी भी काम को करने के लिए, एंड पेशेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपके पास पेशेंस नहीं है, इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड समथिंग टू डू, यू विल से क्यों नहीं चल रहा है मेरा काम, क्यों नहीं चल रहा है, क्यों मुझे बिजनेस में प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा. नो माय डियर, एक दिन में प्रॉफिट नहीं होता है, उसके लिए पेशेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. पेशेंस मीन्स सब्र रखना पड़ता है कि एक ना एक दिन तो चलेगा, राइट? So she said, now we have proper settled life. We have pakka house, we have fridge at home, we have electricity at home, we have TV, gas, stove. Because earlier तो उनके पास कुछ नहीं था, right? धीरे धीरे उन्होंने मेहनत करी and they were able to manage all these things. And then she's saying my husband, brothers, sister, and also my daughter go to school. पहले when we have read that, she was saying that मेरे husband के brother sister भी school नहीं जाते हैं. Now she is saying that now they have also started going to school. My daughter is also going to school. So have you seen that how much changes has come in their life after doing the work? Yes. Now go to the next. I have 9 rickshaws. Now here the topic which we are going to start the multiplication. सबसे पहला टॉपिक है multiplication which we will learn in this chapter. I have 9 rickshaws. She said I have 9 rickshaws. मेरे पास खुद की हो गई हैं. My own means मेरी खुद की रिक्शाज हैं जिसको मैं दूसरों को रेंट पे देती हूँ. I give the rickshaws on rent. Rent means when you lend your things to the other person and you charge the money from them is known as the rent, right? So now वो अपने 9 रिक्शास दूसरों को यूज करने के लिए देती थी, and for that she is charging some rent. For example, early days में no, when people when we were children at our age, we were not having our personal cycles at home. What we were getting the cycles on rent, and the rent person, those who are giving us the cycle on rent, they are charging us the some amount for per day. Suppose I am taking a cycle for one day, and then uncle told me give me 4 rupees for one day. Suppose I am taking for 5 days, and per day I am taking 4 rupees, giving 4 rupees. So what is the total amount I am paying after 5 days? 1 day 4 rupees. And what
Ma'am,
is the total?
20.
Very good. What you have done in this to find out?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. 4 5s are 20. 4 is for 1 day. And when you multiply for 4, you have learned unitary method also. हमने यूनिटरी मेथड पढ़ा था जब हमारे पास 1 का गिवन है, मेनी का फाइंड आउट करना है, वी मल्टीप्लाई. यस, so we have to do the multiplication here. Same here, she is saying I have 9 rickshaws. Just a minute. Same, she says I have 9 rickshaws of my own. I gave the rickshaws on the rent, each for rupees 20 a day. On Sundays I don't take any money from them. So 9 days, 9 rickshaw for 20 rupees. So how much he is charging? I have given the rickshaw on road, each for rupees 20 a day. So 9 multiplied by 20 is
Ma'am,
180.
180 rupees.
180.
very good. It's written here for one rickshaw she gets rupees 20 in a day. And then
And
when,
because 9 zeros are 0 and 9 twos are equal to 8.
very good, very good. So this is 9 multiplied by 20 is 180 in a day. Now go to the next one. But I find this easier for 10 rickshaw, and she is calculating because she is not that much good in calculation. So what she is doing, she know that 20 multiplied by 10 is 200, right? Because easily वो number से number multiply कर देती है and add the zero at the back. So this is the calculation. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. 9 rickshaw she will get rupees 200. अब 200 में से हम क्या minus करें so that we get the 180?
And 20.
Very good.
20.
Excellent answer. 200 minus 20 when we will do, you will get the 20. Got it? Now this is the page number. Take out this page number 61. No, before this page number, I want to explain you the traditional method of multiplication. Traditional method of, there are many methods of multiplication which we are doing. Mute your mic, someone mic is on. Traditional method of multiplication means the method of multiplication which we are following till now. जो हम करते हैं. I'm going to give you four sums. Please open your notebooks, everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can I can do this. What did you say? My little bit network issue was there.
I am going to write here on the board. I'm going to give you few sums based on multiplication. Write the heading multiplication.
Okay.
First sum is 584 multiplied by 46. Divide the page into two parts and write the second sum here. Please do it fast because I am going to ask from, and turn on your camera. Danya, do you have a problem with your camera, bacha? Danya, Vedant and Rajvi Nakre?
Ma'am, I kept it off because
But ma'am, mine is on only.
No, Danya, every time you say that my camera is on only, no. I noticed that your camera is off. That's why I'm telling you. Now I will not bring into your notice. I will directly remove. Several times I noticed you tell me that, ma'am, my camera is on. It is not like that. 584 multiplied by 46, and the next sum is 671 multiplied by 38. Do these two sums fast and then I will give you two more sums. Now I will ask from you all to give me the answer. First, let me take the attendance. Okay. Divit, which number we will multiply first?
Ma'am, 6 4 ja.
What is 6 fours? Anna, turn on your camera, please. What is 6 fours? Divit, you need to learn the tables, बच्चा. Without tables, see, young sailor को भी tables याद करनी है. Got it? Viva, 6 fours. Mute your mic now, Divit.
24.
Divit, if you don't know the table of 6, how you will go to the higher tables then? Mute your mic. 6 fours are 24. So 2 I will go as a carry forward and the 4 will come here. Dhyan Patel, next what you will multiply?
6 8 ja.
What is 6 8?
42.
42. My dear students, I don't know that you will not able to say the table of 6, how you will do the all mathematic calculations.
48.
Don't laugh, Dhyan Patel. Don't laugh. Yes, Aradhya. 6 8 ja.
48.
Something will be added in the 48. Yes. 6 8 ja 48 plus 2. Next, Granth. Which number we will multiply now?
6 5 ja.
What is 6 5 ja?
30 30.
Who is giving answer better from your side? आपको आंसर देना है. I'm not taking test. I'm asking from you. 30. 6 5 is 30 and plus
Plus 5.
what will be the answer?
35.
35. Now children, you can erase these carryovers because you are going to put the 4 के जो carryovers आएंगे वो भी ऊपर लगाओगे. So you will get confused. Better to erase them.
Then we can write the carryovers over that.
Over that also you can write. But sometimes I have noticed some children get confused. So always do the multiplication sum with the pencil so that you can correct it. Okay. Do it with the pencil only. Now, next.
Ma'am, but I have done it with a pen.
No problem. If you are confident in your work, no problem. Yes, Nishwa. Next.
Ma'am, what did you say?
I'm asking what we will do now next. This with the 6 we have already multiplied.
We do 0 first.
Yes. Then
Then we do 4 4s are 16.
16. So I will write 16 together here.
No.
Suchi
can
Mali.
carry
Suchi
over.
Mali. Wait. Suchi Mali, where are you? Where are you, Suchi? Suchi, are you there? Suchi, are you there, bacha? Please turn on your camera. Suchi, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, leave my class, bacha. Because you have joined just now. My dear, sorry. आपको बीच में कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा कि हम इतनी देर से क्या कर रहे हैं. Better you leave the class and come tomorrow on time. Suchi, am I audible to you?
Excuse me, ma'am. Suchi is having a headache.
What happened to her?
I
How
don't
do you know? Then
Because at first class English class.
Ma'am, her big brother has said in English class.
okay. Suchi, now you pay attention here. What are we doing? Because it's difficult to explain from the beginning. It's already 15-20 minutes your class has started. Now, someone was saying me, Nishwa has given me 4 4s are 16. So 16 together I will write here under the 0, Nishwa.
No, ma'am, we carry over.
So we write 6 here and the 1 will carry over on what? On 8 or on 5 or on 4?
On 5.
No,
No, sorry, 8. 8.
8. Because multiply you did this. So the carryover will go to the next number. Now 4 8s Tej
30.
Kumar. Tej Kumar, 4 8s
4 8 32.
plus 1, 33. The number will go carry over to the next number. 33. Next, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. 4 5s are 20.
Plus,
Plus 3, so it will be 23.
so we write 23 together here because now there is no number to carry forward. Okay?
Yes.
And put them in the circle so that you will not get confused. And cross these because this we have already added. Okay. Now 4 plus 0 is Vishrut.
4.
Vishrut.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
4 plus 0 is
4.
4. Kashvi. 0 plus 6 is
Ma'am, 0 plus 6 is 6.
Bhavya Sagar. 5 plus 3 is
2.
माइनस नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, प्लस कर रही हूँ बच्चा. नाउ वी नीड टू डू प्लस.
8.
Yes. Jigar Singh. 3 plus 3 is
Them 6.
next. The 2 will come this. If your answer is this, please put a right tick.
Ma'am, correct.
Just a
Ma'am, correct.
Ma'am, correct.
Ma'am, correct. Ma'am, your mic is off.
next sum. Please do it by your own, and then we will check the final answer. I will not do for you now. Please do it by your own.
Ma'am,
Fast.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
say?
Yes, Ane.
Ma'am, can I say the
ma'am,
second?
I was saying you to do the mobile side.
Mobile. Where is the mobile? Mobile
No,
is not
ma'am.
here.
We saying the laptop. Like I do.
Now check. It's
Ma'am,
visible
it's
to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vihan Dubaria.
nothing. Baba, by mistake. No, it is on. It is automatically my mic is on and offing. Now it is not happening.
Vedant, you are clear now? Vedant, you are clear? Vedant, Danya, Vihan, Tej Kumar, Moksh, Aradhya, those who are here, everyone is clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Manya,
Yes, ma'am.
Shivan, Rajiv, Nakle,
Ma'am, can I
multiple
say the
questions.
second one the answer?
No, let everyone do. I am giving you 2-3 minutes and then I will ask the answer.
Ma'am,
And
I've
if you
done
have
the
done the
second one.
first, so I am writing the third and fourth. अभी एक मिनट. So the third question is 807 multiply by 54. Do it by your own and tell me the answer. The fourth question is 943 multiply by 27. Vishrut, why are you just sitting simply, bacha? Can you show me a notebook? Are you writing? Let me pin you. Yeah, please do them. Suchi, I request you, bacha, you have joined late also, and after that also you don't have notebook with you. Please solve and do it in your book.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kashvi.
ma'am, I've solved my question.
All four.
No, ma'am.
So please do all four. Done, everyone. Grant, I hope you are doing. Rajivi Lahoti, please leave the class. If you don't sit with your camera on, please leave. Nishwa, please leave. My dear students, on that day in my one class, I have removed 2 students. And they were not able to join my class the entire day then. Any class they were not able to join. I removed them from my class. Very good. Rajivi Lahoti left.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
On your board, the light is
Okay. It's not coming clearly.
Hello, ma'am.
your camera.
Hello, ma'am. I have done all the sums. 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I have done all the sums.
Very good. We will check within 2-3 minutes. Let everyone. Rajveer, please leave my class if your camera will remain. Rajveer, both of the Rajveers. Both of the Rajveer, leave my class. Many times I have given you the reminders.
Ma'am, I can do not, I, I restart my tablet because my camera in my mic is not opening.
Okay. But to Rajveer, Nakreto, I have given many reminders. Rajveer, if you keep your camera now off, you will be removed. Jiga Singh, turn on your camera, please. Don't do experiments with your camera, please. Okay. Moksh, can you tell me what is the answer of the third one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, step by step or the answer only?
Tell me the answer only.
Ma'am, the answer of the third one is 43,578.
43,578. Let me check. 671 multiplied by
Ma'am,
38.
no, ma'am. Of the third one, you said third one. The second
Oh,
one
sorry.
is.
Tell me the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second one answer is 25,498.
Very good. If your answer is this, student, put a right tick. Aradhya, you have done this, the third one.
No, ma'am. I'm doing.
Who has completed the third one? Give me. Except Moksh. Moksh will not give the same.
Ma'am,
Except
I have
Moksh.
done.
Other child will try.
Ma'am,
Which
Vishnu.
child?
Vishnu.
Answer is right.
Yes, Vishnu. Give me the answer.
Ma'am, total first we multiply
Total
by
final answer.
total
Final answer.
final answer is 44,178.
No, wrong.
Ma'am,
Wrong. It's not 40.
that 4 multiply by 7 0 that
Ma'am,
is
can I
equal to
say?
multiply by
Ma'am,
4
can I say?
or direct transfer.
Anay, give me the answer. No, direct answer I'm asking. Direct last answer.
43,578.
Yes. If your final answer is this one, put a right tick. After doing the 2 steps, this is the third step when you add, no? This is the last answer I'm asking from the students. Next
Ma'am,
is,
may I do the fourth sum?
Yes, Manya, tell me the fourth answer.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 25,461.
25,000.
461.
Let me check the answer. 943 multiplied by 27. Yes. Put a right tick if your answer is this, students. Do it little fast. Don't sit simply and start learning tables, especially to Dhyan Patel, to Rajiv, to everyone. Please learn tables till 15. Start learning tables. Till 15, it is compulsory for everyone to learn the tables. Without tables, you will not able to do the maths.
Ma'am, my third answer is also right.
All answers are right.
My third answer is also right. I am doing fourth.
Okay. Do it fast. And today I am going to send you the worksheet based on multiplication, 2 digit by 2 digit or 3 digit by 2 digit. So you do that multiplication sum. If you have a space in the worksheet, do in the worksheet. Or if you don't find space in the worksheet, do in the notebook and attach your work. Take the picture and attach. Got it, everyone? Show me thumbs up. Very good. And learn tables. Tomorrow I will ask the tables also in the class. Please come prepare with the tables. Jigar Singh, are you doing in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
How many sums you have completed?
Well, I'm doing the fourth one in the notebook.
Please complete all the 4 sums. Done, everyone? Manya completed? Vishrut completed?
Ma'am, my order. Yes.
Moksh completed? Danya completed? I am asking, I am calling one by one everyone's name. Tej Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Only just show me thumbs up. No need to turn on your mic. Yes, Vihan?
Yes. I am at the fourth one.
Anne?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Okay. Kashvi? She's not at her place. Bhavya Sagar?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Please fast. Niva?
I'm in the second one. It
Oh
was
my.
wrong, so I'm doing back again.
Aradhya?
Done, ma'am, and all are right.
Very good. Dhyan Patel?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Please do fast. Divit? At least write the sums because after 1 minute I will leave the class.
Ma'am, I will be doing.
Yes, Vedant, you?
Ma'am, I have written the fourth sum. I'm just doing it.
Suchi, you? Nishwa,
I've done.
Rajvi Lahoti,
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja Singh, Granth.
Done.
Okay. Please note down the sums so that you can do it later on also. Thank you, students, for today's class. Those who have completed, they can leave the class.
Bye,
Thank you.
I am of the
Those who are
Bye,
doing,
ma'am.
they can
Have a
write.
good